Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these electric dog nail grooming kit. It comes with a grinder as well as a nail clipper. It is super quiet electric pet nail grinder. It is rechargeable. It is for small, medium, and large dogs. You can also use this on cats. Alright, so right here we have our nail clippers. This is offered in 3 different colors. You've got dark blue, black, and white. So it does come with the clippers in it, which is the blue clippers. Those are the ones that cut the clippers, but it also comes with the grinder. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the box. It is a Type-C USB rechargeable, charged conveniently anywhere and everywhere. So first off, you have a user manual. This basically explains everything. There are 3 ports of various nail size. You got port 1, which is for small size nails. You got port 2 for medium size nails. And you got port 3 for large size nails. So that tells you right here. It's got a dual safety LED lights, which located in the nail grinder is easily over, so you can see the wick of the dogs. You get a Type-C charging cable, which is right there. Here is an extra grinder. This is the big grinder, so you have one that's already in it, and then they give you an extra one. And then here is the grinder. We're going to put that aside. On the bottom of this plastic right here is the actual clippers part. So you do get the brush to clean it out. And then you get the clippers to cut the nails. It does have a safety gear on this so you don't overcut the nail. It's got a really nice gripping handle. This right here, you just push that down and it releases the clippers. And then here is the safety guide. Just move that back and forth. Now if you want to lock them up, you just push this back upwards, and it should lock it in place. Gotta push it a little harder, and there to lock it right there. You can see that it doesn't cut anything because it is in the lock position, and there is the protective part. So now let's move on to the grinder. So the grinder itself has 2 diamond bit grinders for various nail hardnesses. You've got a smooth wheel suitable for soft nails and small pets. You have a coarse wheel which is suitable for nails and fast grinding. So this here has a lockable. So it says turn left to unlock, turn right to lock. So now we're going to take off the top so I can show you the bit itself. So this does have the advanced 3-speed design for various pets. You can see the lights up at the top. So this little bone looking thing at the bottom is for the lights. The one at the top, that is to start the grinder. So if you hold it down, it will turn off. So right now it is on the low speed. You got medium speed, and then you got high speed. So now that it's off, you can see that's low. Now we're going to hit it again for the medium. And then we got the fastest speed. And then in order to turn it off, you have to hold down the little top button. Then you have a digital display that tells you your battery level as well as your speeds. We're going to go ahead and test out the sound right now. So with those, you can see that it is not too loud. That's low, medium, and high. So I'm going to go and turn this off, and then I'm going to work on my pet's nails. So the next time I come back, I will be trimming my dog's nails. That definitely needs to be done. As you can see, it's not super loud. My dog was only moving because we have tile floor, so it was slippery. Other than that, you can see that she was very comfortable with the whole process and it didn't bug her at all. So if you're looking for a nice nail clipper set, I would highly recommend checking this one out. You do get the clippers as well as the grinder, and they do also include an extra grinding wheel, so that is great to last a little bit longer. I highly recommend checking this one out.